Hey there, check out the Prostormer 198-piece general household hand tool, set designed for all your home repair needs. This multi-purpose kit includes a wide variety of essential tools to tackle DIY projects and everyday maintenance tasks. You'll find everything from screwdrivers and pliers to wrenches and measuring tapes, all neatly organized in a wide-mouth open storage tool bag. The durable bag makes it easy to carry and access your tools whenever you need them. Whether you're fixing a leaky faucet or assembling furniture, this set has you covered. Its compact design ensures you have the right tool at your fingertips without clutter. Stay prepared and confident with this versatile, comprehensive toolkit built for any household job. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.